General properties of the base finished. Chemical properties of the base also finished. Just we'll do the quick recap of what we discussed in the chemical properties. So first we'll write the chemical properties of an acid. First one, acid with metal. What are the products?
So hydrogen gas and salt.
Salt plus
Hydrogen
hydrogen
gas.
gas. Fine. Next, acid with the base.
Salt plus water.
It is a neutralization reaction.
Salt plus water.
Salt plus
Water.
water. Third, just wait. Singam. The remaining anyone can answer. Acid plus, I will call you one by one, okay? Acid plus metal carbonate or metal bicarbonate will form. Okay. Yuktastri, what is the answer? Acid first, what is the formula for metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates? Yuktastri, what is the formula for metal carbonates and metal bicarbonates? Ritvik, Ritvik. First, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ritvik, Pranav, Vivek,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula for metal carbonates or metal bicarbonates? You can take any example and can tell me. Like sodium carbonate, what's the formula?
Sir, for sodium carbonate.
Yeah.
Sir, Na.
Na.
Sir, NaCO3, sodium carbonate.
Okay. NaCO3. This Na2,
Sir, yeah, sir.
Na2CO3 is a sodium carbonate. Yeah, correct answer, Yuktastri. Correct, Deepshika. Akshar also correct. Yeah, correct, Bhumika also. Yeah, I can give the answers in the chat box. Good. Those who have already given the answers in the chat box, very good. Everyone, you can send the answers in the chat box. So acid plus metal carbonate and metal bicarbonate, you'll get. Krishna, what you will get? Krishna Pranav. What you will get?
Sir, salt will get
Salt you will get.
plus carbon.
Not carbon. You'll get carbon dioxide and the water.
Water.
Okay. Next one. Acid plus metal, acid plus base, acid plus metal carbonate, metal bicarbonate. What's the fourth one? Acid plus metal oxide or non-metal oxide? Which one? Acid plus metal oxide or non-metal oxide? Nothing. Which one is the basic in nature and which one is acidic in nature? Sorry.
Metal oxide is basic and non-metal oxide is acidic.
Your reply is like, sorry, took the class 1 month before. We forgot everything. So only you are not replying anything. Many of you feeling the same?
No, sir. Like metal oxides are basic in nature.
Metal oxides are basic in nature. Good, Deepshik, I think answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So metal oxides are basic in nature. Non-metal oxides are
Acidic.
acidic in nature. So when you take the acid, again it will not react with the acid. It will react with the base. So acid plus metal oxide will form the salt plus
Salt and water.
water again. Next you know already acid plus water. What you will get? Nothing. This will get the H plus ions. Right?
मतलब ये होता है कि वो ऐसे आइटम को पिक करे और उनको रिलीज करे दैट मींस द बेसिकली करेक्ट एरिया
Okay.
है
Sorry, there is a disturbance. Please mute your mic, okay? So these are the 5 important properties of an acid. Compulsory how to remember all these 5 important formulas along with the at least 2 examples for the exam. In the exam point of view, they will give the 3 marks question or 1 mark question along with the example they will ask Pakka. So along with at least a minimum 2 examples you have to remember which all these 5 formulas. Fine. So today your homework is write the chemical properties of an acid and the bases with the formula and the 2 examples in same one sheet. Clear?
So where should we upload?
You can upload in the assessment tab, assignment tab in the Wise app. And I don't know, last time also I have given some homework that before the holidays, most of the people has didn't submit the assessment. Only few people have submitted the assessment. After that, I didn't take the class, right? So I didn't inform you much. So whenever you are giving the homework, do that homework and upload in the assignment tab or any other tab is there in that. Wait a minute, I will check.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, assessment is better. Assessments are will upload in the assessment only is there. So final or discussion tab, no. Resources, no. Just you upload in the assessment tab itself. That's better. Okay. So all these formulas along with the 2 examples for the acids and the base chemical properties. Next, we'll discuss the base. Fast. What's the first one? We'll give chance to this time. Aditi,
Sir,
please wait. Aditi,
Yes, sir.
tell me one property of the base along with the example. Base plus what? No response. So base plus metal, active metal. What you'll get? Salt plus H2. I have given an example also. This one is very important. In the last year question paper also you got this example. Sodium hydroxide. When reacting with the zinc, what you'll get? What you will get?
So we'll get as carbonate.
Hmm?
Zinc, sodium carbonate.
Sodium carbonate. Good.
Zincate, something. Sodium zincate.
Sodium zincate will get.
Visible for quick release देखता है ये.
So we'll get the Na2ZnO2. Sorry, ZnO2 plus H2 gas. This is a sodium zincate. Very important chemical reaction. Okay, next one. Base plus acid. It's a common. Salt plus
Water.
water. Third one. Base plus non-metal oxide.
Again, so salt plus water.
Again salt plus
Water.
what about the remaining students? Nobody is responding anything. Next, when you dissolve the base in water, you'll get OH minus ions. These are the 4 chemical properties of the base. Fine. This is what we discussed in the last class, right? This is the sodium zincate formula. So today's class, what we'll do? Tell me something fast. What we'll do today's class?
So new chapter. If this is a
New topic in this chapter, or any doubts up to this?
no doubt, sir. New topic.
If you have any doubts, anyone, you can ask me. I'll explain you, or else we'll go to the new topic. No doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, the next topic is the indicator, which is very important. Actually, when you open the NCERT textbook, the first page of the chapter is the indicators. We'll start with the indicators only. But we are discussing in between here. Tell me, what is the indicator first?
So substances that indicates are substances acidic or basic.
So we cannot taste all the acids and all the bases, right? It's very harmful. Only we can taste the organic acid, that too very less. So whichever the acid we cannot taste, but if you want to find out the substance, whether it is an acid or the base, you have to use some substance that is called as an indicator. So indicator is a dye that changes the color in the acid and in the base into the different, right? So when you place the indicator in the acidic medium, it will show the different color. When you place the indicator in the basic medium, it will show the different color. Yes or no? An indicator is a dye
Yes, sir.
that changes color when it is placed in acidic medium or in a base.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So indicators only change color, or there's also something called olfactory indicators,
Olfactory
right?
indicator is also there. Okay, right now we are discussing only about the acid-base indicators, not the olfactory indicators.
Okay, sir.
Olfactory indicators will change the odor or the smell. Right. Okay. So this is for the acid-base indicators. Okay. So the indicator which will show the different color in the acidic medium and in the basic medium are called as an acid-base indicators. So indicator which will show different color in the acidic medium or basic medium is called as an olfactory indicators. Sorry, acid-base indicators. Again, the acid-base indicators are two types. One is a natural indicator, the other one is a synthetic indicators. What's the meaning of natural indicator?
Right, phenolphthalein, something.
Naphthalene,
Turmeric.
turmeric. So indicators which are prepared from the plant and animal source are called as a natural indicators, right? Prepared from plant source is called as a natural indicator. Best examples are what?
Red cabbage,
Litmus, turmeric, red cabbage. Next, any other thing is there?
beetroot,
Beetroot. Beetroot is a natural indicator.
yes sir.
Can you tell the colors?
I'm not sure sir, I've just seen it somewhere in the textbook.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you that if it's a beetroot is a natural indicator. I'll check and tell
The
you.
hibiscus.
Hibiscus we can say, yeah. Or you can say China rose petals. Okay, so all the things we'll not use. Only this one we'll use in the laboratory. Turmeric also you won't use. Red cabbage also you won't use. And China rose petals. All things we'll not use. The next one is the artificial or the synthetic. Synthetic means what? Prepared in the lab. Okay, these are the synthetic indicators which are prepared in the laboratory. What are the best examples?
Phenolphthalein.
Methyl orange,
Naphthalene,
methyl orange,
methyl orange.
sir, but isn't litmus also a synthetic indicator?
No. Litmus we are getting from the lichens. Lichens is a one type of plant. Talophyta group.
So then pH paper.
pH paper, okay, you can say. Universal indicator. Okay, so these are the synthetic indicators. But compulsory have to remember one tabular column, how the color change will happen. Based on that, you will get the MCQs in the competitive side. This is the indicator. The first we'll write the natural one. The first one is the litmus. So litmus, they are obtained from the lichens. I hope you know what is a lichen. Symbiotic relationship will be there. So it is also one type of plant kingdom. In one of the plant kingdom, there is a Talophyta group. So how it is colored in the neutral? And what color change will happen in acidic medium and in the basic medium? You have to cut this. So litmus, generally you take the litmus, the original color for the litmus is purple color. Okay. But the litmus paper will be available either in two colors, either in red color or in the blue color. So in the case of acidic medium, how the color will change? Red. In the basic medium, it will change into the blue. That is a litmus. Next, turmeric. What about the turmeric?
So acidic red. Basic yellow.
Actual neutral color is yellow.
Arsenic red.
Acid is also yellow. Suppose you have taken one if any curry stain is there on the shirt, if you wash with the soap, what will happen?
Red, sir.
Reddish color, right? Yes or no? So turmeric with the basic medium changes to red color. That's what, if any curry stains or something will be there, or turmeric, if you add it to the shirt, if you wash with the soap, now it will change into the red color. So you have some activities in the class, lower classes like 6th to 7th, making of the greeting card with the turmeric paste and soap solution. You remember?
Yes, sir.
7th standard, we have the acid base chapter. Sir, already we didn't remember the class 10th itself, huh? You are asking 7th standard. Anybody feeling like that?
No, sir.
All are good students, right?
Yes, sir.
For this also no response.
No, sir.
Good students or bad students?
Good student, sir.
Good students. But out of 20, only 2 or 3 are replying. I don't know what happened to others. I think everyone is old one only, right? Anybody joined newly? We'll check the name list once. I think Harshil.
Yes, sir. I joined you.
Okay, this is your first chemistry class, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding anything?
Kinda.
Sir is teaching something else. I don't know what's going on. Right? Is that your feeling?
No, sir. I can understand.
You can understand. Whether you are there in the CBSE board or ICSE board?
CBSE.
CBSE. Whether this chapter finished in your school?
No, sir. It's still going on.
Still going on. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me immediately, okay? Feel free to ask. I won't scold. Next. There are two pronouns are there. One is a Krishna pronoun, another one is a normal pronoun. I think normal pronoun is new. Pronoun?
There was some before only, sir.
No, Krishna pronoun I know. What about the normal pronoun? Pronoun.
Sir, I'm also an old student.
Hold. Okay, sorry. No, that's all. Remaining everyone is old only. But nobody is responding anything in the class. Where is this Rayan?
Sir, responding, sir.
Only 2 or 3 are responding.
So in the 2 or 3, I'm the one.
I know.
I'm one of.
Harini and Singham. Only 2. In between Aditi, she answered, and Bhumika also. Deepshika answered one. But apart from that, nobody other. Shreyan, unmute yourself first.
Sir, I have no network, sir.
No network, sir. When the network will be there, sir?
No, very low,
Whenever,
sir.
whenever I ask, network will not be there, sir.
Sir, I will speak every time, sir. Today only I'm not speaking, sir. I will speak now, sir.
Okay. Is it training in Hyderabad?
Yeah, sir. I'm in Hyderabad.
Yeah,
only.
sir.
Everyone is enjoying the cool climate after a long
No,
summer
sir.
gap.
Not enjoying, sir, because of this network is not available. No time, sir.
Okay. So clear up to this. For natural indicators, we have the 2 indicators, litmus paper and the turmeric. Litmus original color in the neutral one is a purple. In acidic medium, it is a red. In the basic medium, it is a blue color. And turmeric, the original color is yellow. Acidic medium also, it will show the yellow color, and the basic medium, it will show the red color. Next, when you come back to the artificial or synthetic. How many will eat the Oreo biscuits?
Wait, sir.
The Oreo biscuits, right?
For me.
Good. So next one is the methyl orange. So orange, methyl orange, the neutral color is orange color. Acidic medium, it is a red color. And the basic medium, it is a yellow color. Okay, just wait a minute. I'll come back. Okay, so just remember this color as a Oreo biscuit. Okay, ORY, orange, red, yellow. So methyl orange will have the three different colors. In the neutral, it is a orange. Acidic, it is a red, and the acidic, it is a red, and basic medium, it is a yellow. The next one is the phenolphthalein. Then phenolphthalein, what is the color change?
Phenolphthalein is clear.
Yeah, what is the color change?
Acidic, it's pink. Basic, it's
Acidic,
So neutral purple.
it's a colorless.
Okay. Acidic pink.
Acidic pink.
Or yes.
pink or purple, something related to
Or
it.
colorless something. Yeah.
Basic, it's colorless.
Basic colorless.
Basic colorless.
Yes, sir.
This is a colorless actually. This is a pink. Okay. So phenolphthalein colorless in the neutral, colorless in acidic medium, and basic in the pink color.
So we did this test with ammonium chloride and also sodium carbonate.
Mm-hmm.
We did this in lab with ammonium chloride and sodium carbonate.
Okay.
And even methyl orange phenolphthalein and litmus.
So, like, do we have this information in the NCRT, sir?
Yeah, we have
Yeah,
the
even universal solvent we can use, no, sir.
Which one?
Universal one.
Universally have a different color actually that we'll discuss as a separate one topic because it will show the different color in the different pH range.
Yes, sir. I have tested it.
Okay. This is all about the color changes. Just wait a minute. Okay, these are about the color changes. Any doubts in this tabular column?
No, sir.
It's very important actually. You'll get 1 or 2 marks from this itself in this chapter. If any competitive exam is coming now, compulsory one question will come on this. They'll ask like, what is the methyl orange color in the basic medium? It's yellow. Or phenolphthalein color in the acidic medium. What is it? Colorless. Understanding? Like that compulsory, how to remember?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
Next one is the olfactory indicators. What is the olfactory indicator?
So smell.
Okay. Before this, we discuss one more thing. Litmus paper is available in 2 colors, right? One is the blue litmus paper. The other one is the red litmus paper.
Red.
Then if you take the acidic and the base, how it will change?
So in blue litmus paper, the acid changes it to red, and bases remain the same.
Blue, the acid
Uh,
blue will change into the
Red.
red. Here no color change. What about here? Red?
And red one will change into blue in bases and no change in acids.
Blue here. Fine. Okay. Olfactory indicators, next one. Indicator which shows
So can you spell it for us?
which one? OLFACPORY. So it is a doctor handwriting. Only can understand it is a.
Sir, sorry, sir.
Can you understand handwriting first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No comments more than this. So indicator which show different order in acidic and basic area. That is called as olfactory indicators. Then can you tell some examples of olfactory indicators?
So unable to understand the handwriting.
Wait 1 minute. Good. If you have any problems, you tell me. I'll try to write neatly.
The examples will be onion and vanilla essence.
Now can you understand?
Yes, sir.
So if the indicator shows different order or smell in the acidic medium and the basic medium is called as an olfactory indicators. Okay. The next one, can you tell some examples of olfactory indicator anyone?
Onion and vanilla essence.
Sorry, onion and
Vanilla essence.
vanilla essence. Good. Next one is a vanilla essence. Generally, if you observe the olfactory indicators, they will not show any order change in the acidic medium. Most of them will show the order change only in the basic medium. Understanding? Suppose if you take the onion smell will be the same in the acidic medium. But when you take in the basic medium, the smell of the onion will change. Similarly with the vanilla essence also. The smell of the vanilla will change in the basic medium. Okay. So this is all about the indicators of the acids and bases and the olfactory indicator. Next one is the diluting of an acid. You want to write any test today, please?
No, sir.
Not required.
Sorry, sir.
You want to write any quiz today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Raise your hands. How many want to write the quiz?
Sir, I'm asking you second solving.
Good. Thank you for giving the immediate response for the quiz. When I ask some questions, you won't give any response. Okay. This topic we'll discuss and we'll have the quiz. So dilution of an acid and base. Tell me first, what is the meaning of dilution? What is the meaning of
When
dilution?
you add
Sir, making the acid or the substance weak, or like mixing it with water.
Less concentrated.
So decreasing the concentration of acid in a
Sir,
solution.
decreasing the concentration of acid or base by mixing
Yeah,
them with
solution.
water.
Very good. The simple definition is decreasing the concentration of an acid or base by adding the water to the acid or the base is the dilution process. Adding of water to the acid or base to decrease its concentration. Now tell me whether the adding of acid is a base is an exothermic process or the endothermic process.
Exothermic.
Exothermic process. So dilution of an acid or base is an exothermic process. Next one. If you take the two beakers, one beaker you have taken the water. In another beaker you have taken the acid. Now in this we are adding the water. In this we are adding the acid. Which one is correct? The first one or second one?
The first one.
Sir, first one, sir.
So I think second one.
The first one, sir, because second one can be dangerous.
So
Display
it
the
will
answer
explode.
in the text box. Everyone, either one or two.
So, but I think so both are dangerous.
Both are dangerous. You have to be very careful when handling the acids in the lab. You have to very careful while handling the acids in the lab, because even a small drop of an acid will burn your skin. So which one is correct? Finished? Only 1, 2. Bhumika replied, Kavya, Harini. So always we have to add the water to the acid. The second one is correct. The first one is wrong.
So, but to form acids, we pass the acidic gas through. We pass acidic gas through water, right?
Right? The second one is correct and first one is wrong, right?
No, sir.
So I think first one is right.
Tell. No response.
Sorry, sir.
The first one is correct.
Yes, sir. First one.
One is correct and second one is wrong. Okay. So whenever if I teach something wrong, also you have to tell. See, always you should add the acid drop by drop to the water by constant stirring only, because dilution of an acid is an exothermic process. It will release a large amount of heat suddenly. So when you add the acids drop by drop to the water by constant stirring, whatever the heat produced will be controlled. You can control that heat. But when you add the water to the acid, it will release huge amount of energy or the heat suddenly that we cannot control at all. So it will cause the explosion. Understanding?
Yes.
It release large amount of heat in short time, which cause explosion. Okay. Here we can control the amount of heat. Fine. So always you have to add the acid to the water by constant stirring, drop by drop. But when you go for the laboratory, what you'll do? There will add drop by drop. Practically,
No, sir.
you have to be very careful there also. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll stop the topic here and we'll have the quiz. Let's wait a minute.
Sir, is this chapter end, sir? Does this chapter end here?
No. Again, it will take at least 4 to 5 classes still.
Okay, sir.
It's a big chapter only, okay? And it's an important topic for the exam.
Yes, sir.
Just wait a minute. There is some error. You can join. I already followed the link. Everyone join the quiz fast. Everyone join. Only 13 people has joined. What about the remaining 6?
That's it. You know about me, Sender. Network is low, so I cannot just. I will try to.
Join fast. We have only 4 minutes left. Okay, I'm going to start the quiz, and you have to end within 3 minutes. Exactly at 6, I will stop the quiz.